Morning everybody, this is Andre, and today is a very exciting day because not only is my mom's 60th birthday, happy birthday mom by the way, but also our Dodge Challenger project is finally done, finally ready, and we're meeting our friend Anton at Aviator Sports Complex in Brooklyn. They have a nice parking lot, so hopefully we can test drive the car and see how it came out and if he's happy with it or not. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. We'll see what happens. Morning guys, I'm very excited today because we're about to test drive our Challenger and see what it's capable of. We're waiting for Anton, he should be here any second, and I think this is a nice place to test drive this vehicle. Check it out. Oh, there he is. Wow, look at this beast, man. Wow. Wow, man, that's impressive, man. The car looks sick. What's up, buddy? How are you? Man, this thing looks great, man.
It does.
Congrats, bro.
I'm very happy with it.
All right. Yeah, after a pretty long time, our project is finally over. Check it out, guys. Take a look how the car came out. I think it's pretty impressive, if you ask me. Definitely was worth the wait, man. And these wheels that Anton put on the car, they look sick. I think the color and everything. Paint job looks fantastic, so yeah, man, the car is just great. Let's test drive it, man, and see how it feels. I can't wait. Take a look inside, man. Wow. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, let me buckle my seatbelt because I'm kind of nervous. Let's see. Wow, man, this sound is just crazy, man. This car is a total beast. Oh man. Woo! Oh shit! Yeah! It's like I'm flying, man. Oh, it feels like you're in a, yeah, man. It feels like you're in an airplane and like it pushes you into the seat. Man, this guy has so much power. It's not even funny. This is actually a great place to test drive it. A lot of room. Wow.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
For your 0 to 60 timer?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's do it. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, man. That's so much fun, man. There's a lot of fun.
This head turn, big head turn.
Yeah? I'm sure people notice, man, this car this looks sick. It's probably the best looking car we had at Eurotech. Other than that Porsche 911 that we had in 2007.
Yeah, I was actually watching that video.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Oh, that? Yeah. Alright, cool, man. So you happy so
I'm
far?
very happy. Yeah, like, we talked before that we went a little over budget, but that's including also that the rims were over $1,000, the tires that I wanted specific things on this car. I wanted the intake.
Right.
You know, so that equaled out to a lot of money, so we wound up going a little over budget.
Right.
Also, the whole thing that we bought the car sight unseen,
Yeah.
which had a few undetermined damages that we wound up fixing
Yeah, we didn't see in the pictures that suspension was busted, you know, that the subframe was damaged,
Yeah,
stuff like that. But
Yep.
yeah, I mean, it turned out really great, man. I love this car, the way it drives and everything.
Yeah, and another thing,
Fantastic.
this is you could definitely see by this car, this was very well taken care of.
Yeah.
It has 40,000 miles, but it feels like it has 10.
Yeah, most
Feels like a
likely
brand
it's
new
just
car.
highway miles probably. Yeah, they
Yeah.
drove it because
From a different state.
we bought it where we bought it?
Arkansas.
Oh, Arkansas. Somebody drove it in the cornfields, I guess.
Yeah. And guys, whoever says that this car is horrible on gas, it's not. Don't get me wrong, it's not the best, but I'm getting on a highway more than my 6-cylinder that I had.
Really?
Yeah, I'm getting about 26, 27 miles per gallon on the highway. In the city, it's a little crappy, but
Right.
it's actually it's a great car. I fell in love with it when I drove it when it was fully done.
Great, man.
Yeah, a little over budget, but at the same time, even if I was to overpay and get a clean title car, getting the rims, the intake, that would have cost me a couple $1,000s to do it the way that I want it. So I would have been way over budget at that point.
That's true.
So-
That's true. And you know, so you'll drive it, enjoy it for a little while, and just sell it.
Yeah,
And I'm
and
sure
I'll probably make my money back. at the same
probably, yeah,
time.
yeah. Which is a great thing about salvage cars.
Yeah.
If you do it right, you know. And also, it was a good learning experience. Now you know way more than when you started, and you know when we bought it. Now you know how all this process works and how
Absolutely.
much stuff is involved. And
Yeah, I watched every single one of your videos, and then I wound up being in one of the videos.
that's great, man. Yeah. All right, brother. Thank you again.
Thank you,
It was
Andre.
a pleasure.
It was a great pleasure working with you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you for the
Appreciate
car.
Thank
It's
you.
awesome. I love it.
Enjoy this beast, man. I hope.
And I'll be back for more. Next one is a Hellcat.
For sure, brother. Make sure you don't drive like this on the highway, man. Because I almost pissed my pants, man. All right. Take care, bro.
See you later.
Son of a bitch, man. That's impressive. All right, guys, so it was a lot of fun. I think our project was a big success. Like Anton mentioned, we went a little bit over budget, but you know, it always happens. Things cost money. Sometimes you don't see little details that cost you money. So I always advise when buying this kind of cars, any salvage car with damage, add a little more to make sure you don't go over budget, because there's always unexpected repairs or expenses, especially when you're buying a car sight unseen. But Anton is happy, and that's all that matters. And we're happy too, obviously. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. We'll try to post more rebuild videos to show you guys the cars that we're getting for us and for our customers. And we're actually implementing a new service. You can schedule a call with me if you have any questions about anything about buying a salvage car, any details of the process. If you want my opinion, you know, you can schedule a call with me and ask me any questions you want. The link should be in the description. So I'm pretty excited because a lot of people are asking me like questions and I can't respond to everybody. But now we're making it possible for you guys to call us and talk to us, to me directly. Thank you again. I appreciate you watching the videos, and thank you, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.